Yeah, this was the Danish award show, Apple Award show, and as you can see, the winners was the Danske Bank, the app, and that was very nice, and we got some good pictures, we think, and we talked with Nikolaj Sonne, great man, you know, and he gave us a lot of good advice. Yeah. So, yeah, he actually told us to keep the video cam closer, so now I'm gonna get you a close-up of Nikolaj. Whoa!
Closer.
That's because we didn't have a microphone, and yeah, he said that rookie mistake won't happen again. And actually, another thing I wondered about, Nico, we actually don't have a tripod. You know, we forgot the tripod. So we are actually number 2. So we are actually we are one pod today. One pod. Yeah. So.